How to add and authorize users to Wells Fargo account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add and authorize users in Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to head over to wellsfargo.com and make sure to sign in into your account. So once you're signed in into the Wells Fargo, you have to navigate to the account services. Once you're signed in, click on Account Services tab. After that, go to the Credit Card Service Center. From there, select Credit Card Service Center. Then you have to head over to Request Credit Card Features. Then you have to click on Request Credit Card Features heading. After that, you will find an option as Additional Cardholders for your account. So you have to click on the link that says Additional Cardholders for your account to add and authorize users. After that, you have to provide authorized users information. So enter all the required details for the new user. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is review and submit. So double check the information that you have provided and then submit the request. After that, the Wells Fargo customer support will verify the details and will authorize the users. That's it. That's how you can add and authorize users in Wells Fargo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.